beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you guys can get approved for $5,000. So yes, how you guys can get approved for a $5,000 credit card. And the best part is you guys can actually pre-qualify for this credit card. So that means that they can pre-qualify you without the hard inquiry to say yes or no on whether or not you're going to get approved. So if this is something you're looking to do, go ahead and stick around for the video because I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it. Now, if this is your first time watching my video, hey you guys, my name is Rickita. I talk about real estate, I talk about fitness, I talk about how you guys can boost your credit, and I talk about how you guys can actually protect your credit and how you guys can make sure that if anything crazy is happening to your credit, how you guys can be aware of it within 24 hours and sometimes even sooner than that. So definitely make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you ever have any questions, go ahead and drop those questions down in the comments. Now with this credit card, you guys, you can actually pre-qualify without a hard inquiry. Like yes, without a hard inquiry. A lot of times you want to apply for a credit card, but the thing is, you go and apply, you don't know if you're going to get it or not, and then you're going to get that hard inquiry. So I don't like to get hard inquiries without them telling me yes or no on what they can actually approve me for, or just yes or no that they could even try to approve me. Sometimes you'll get pre-approvals that tell you exactly how much you can get approved for, and then other times you just have some credit card company that just say, hey, we can actually just approve you. So with this credit card company, you guys, they're going to let you know whether or not they're actually approving you without that hard inquiry. Now to actually see if you guys can pre-qualify for this credit card, what I want you to do is go to their website. So this credit card is the Lexus Pursuit credit card. So when you guys want to go ahead and pre-qualify, just simply go to their credit card website, and then when you go to the website, then they'll have a place right there where you can put in all your information, and when you put your information in, they can actually let you know if they can pre-qualify you for the credit card. Now if you guys can see right here, you guys can actually just go and put in all the information, and if they can pre-qualify you, it's without a hard inquiry. Now if you guys are actually able to get pre-qualified for this credit card, definitely let us know in the comments. And if you guys are actually able to get approved, a full approval, let us know in the comments what actually you got approved for, like how much was it. Like we're a team, we need to figure out what's going on, what you guys are actually getting approved for, and that's why I'm here right now making this video, so that we can have one nice hub of all of this information. Now the thing about this credit card is a lot of people, when you guys get credit cards from a community bank, they always ask for verification, and a lot of times they ask for verification is because there's so much fraud out here. I don't know if you guys ever dealt with fraud or even have found out that your information was even on the dark web. I don't know if you guys have ever dealt with that, but it's crazy, you guys, and it's something that you guys don't want to deal with. But they want to verify that you're an actual person, and they want to verify the information that you actually gave them. So they're going to most likely send you a letter in the mail. Maybe they'll say, hey, give us 7 to 10 business days, we'll get back to you. Don't think of that as a denial. They'll send you a letter in the mail, and then they want you to call in to verify. On that letter they'll say verify. After you verify, then a week later you will get your card in the mail. I don't know if you guys have ever dealt with fraud before, but it's real. Like fraud is really real. And a lot of times if you guys sign up for different companies, like thank you Aura for actually sponsoring this video, because I always told you guys about Aura. I made a few videos about Aura, because Aura, if you guys get them, they'll let you know if anything happened in terms of your information, if they was to find your information on the dark web, or maybe if you attach your bank accounts, because you're able to attach your bank accounts to them, they'll actually have access to your credit. So if they see anything that's crazy, anything that's not normal, then they'll go ahead and let you know, hey, we found your information on the dark web, or hey, we found these different things in your bank accounts, so let us know if these are actually accurate. They'll let you know about these different changes, and they'll let you know 4 times faster than any other company that's out there, like their competitors. Now if you guys have ever signed up for the trial, like it's really a 14-day trial, you guys, it's free. Go ahead and sign up. It's right down in the description, and it's also down in the comments. I have a special link. Go ahead and use my link. Go ahead and sign up for it. But if you guys have ever signed up for it, if you guys have got any type of notification from Aura saying, hey, we found your information on the dark web, definitely go ahead and let us all know in the comments. But to me, everybody needs to have some type of service where they sign up for them, where they can tell them exactly what's going on. Because a lot of times if they need that verification from you, then they need that verification because you may have had some type of fraud before. And if you want to avoid this going on in the future, you want to make sure that you have a company like Aura telling you about this fraud, so that you will know exactly where it's most likely coming from. Like look at this pop-up right here, you guys. This pop-up saying is your password is recently in a breach. These are the things that you need to know about. And usually when you log into these different websites, they'll tell you about it. But with Aura, if they find these different things, they'll definitely let you know about it. Now, also with Aura, you can gonna get a copy of your credit report, and you're going to also get your credit score every month. So definitely go ahead and sign up for Aura. There's so many other features that you guys are going to get, but it's a 14-day trial. Go ahead, sign up for the 14-day trial. Look around, see what they have in there, see what you like, because they can store your passwords. You can actually get the VPNs. So it's so much that you guys can actually do. So thank you so much, Aura, for actually sponsoring this video, because I really like your product, and that's why I'm really making a lot of videos about it. And if you want to see the other full video that I made about Aura, definitely go ahead and click here, because I have a full video about Aura where you guys can actually see, more of how it looks, how to sign up, all the details about Aura. So go ahead and click my link and definitely go ahead and sign up. Now, when you guys apply for this credit card, understand too, when you guys apply for the Lexus credit card, they're going to pull your Equifax credit reports. If you guys go ahead and say that you want to get the credit card, at first it's a pre-qualification, but if you guys accept it, remember, you're going to get the hard inquiry, and it's going to be an Equifax hard pull. So definitely let us know in the comments if you guys are able to get approved for this credit card. And if you're using your credit card at the dealership, you guys are going to be able to get the 6 months interest-free payment if you guys are spending $199 or more. So that's really good. So if you guys have a Lexus and you definitely want to go to the dealership to get oil changes, get repairs, this is perfect for you all. Especially like I had something recently with my car where I had to take it in. It'd be nice to have a card where they're saying, hey, we're not going to charge you interest for 6 months. Now understand this: if you guys use your credit card and you do not pay off your interest, you're gonna get 6 months for it, then they are going to backdate your interest. And when I say backdated, I mean by they're going to go back when you first started using the credit card with that 6 months, and they're going to start charging you interest from that time. So you want to make sure you have that completely paid off before that 6-month mark. That's just my warning to you all. Now, if you guys have problems getting approved for credit cards, definitely go ahead and sign up for my exclusive membership. My exclusive membership, I help you all work on ways to actually boost your credit score. So definitely sign up for the exclusive membership, and I'll have that link also down in the comments. So definitely sign up for that. Now, I know a lot of people like to pre-qualify for credit cards. So if you guys would like to pre-qualify for credit cards, there's other companies out there that can actually pre-qualify you guys. Like I tell you guys about these credit cards all the time, but just in case you're new, let me tell you guys about these credit card companies now. So the first one I want to talk to you guys about is Apple. Apple can actually pre-qualify you for their credit card. So look at this pre-qualification right here. They can pre-qualify you, and again, it's without a hard inquiry. So if you want to get another credit card, try to get credit cards from company that can pre-qualify you without that hard inquiry, because those hard inquiries can actually drop your credit score. So Apple can actually pre-qualify you for their credit card. Also, you guys can go with a company like Capital One. Now, Capital One, when you guys apply for them, they have so many different credit cards you guys can actually get approved for. They have personal credit cards and they have business credit cards. Now, Capital One would allow you to have 2 personal credit cards and 2 business credit cards. So that's 4 credit cards total. So go ahead and see what Capital One can actually pre-qualify you for. You guys also have companies like FNBO. They can actually pre-qualify you for credit cards. And you guys also have Discover. I really like Discover because all the cash back you can get. And also, if you guys have to get a secure credit card, then their secure credit card, they have 2% cash back at restaurants and gas stations, which I really like that. Those are the main 2 things a lot of people spend a lot of money on anyway. It's like mandatory anyway. Everybody going out to eat. I don't care what you're saying. You're going out to eat. And then also, you guys are getting gas. Gas prices are crazy. So you guys are going to get that 2% back. Now, you guys can also get a credit card with Navy Federal Credit Union. So if you try to get a credit card, definitely go ahead and see what they can pre-qualify you for, because Navy Federal Credit Union can actually pre-qualify you for higher limit credit cards. So we see exactly what they're able to pre-qualify you for, because you may not know they can actually pre-qualify you for more than you may think of. So just go there, see if what they can pre-qualify you for, and if they can pre-qualify you for a credit card, go ahead and apply for it. But understand, pre-qualification means no hard inquiry, but when you guys actually go ahead and apply for a credit card, that's going to be a hard inquiry. Like, understand that you're going to get that hard inquiry. Now, don't forget, you guys have that 14-day free trial with Aura. So go ahead, look down in the comments, go ahead, look down in the description, and start protecting your family now by all the different fraud that's going on. And check out these other videos that I have here. These videos may be videos that you may be interested in. Hopefully, I'll see you guys in the next video.